In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove email button from your Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first you need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to menu. Here first off, you need to switch from our main Facebook profile, the page. To do that, I'm gonna tap right here and this arrow. This will show me in this pop-up my main Facebook profile at the very top. And also here we can see the list of my pages. Now I'm gonna choose one to switch to it. And once it is done, we need to tap right here, profile picture, to head over to it. After that, tap add these 3 dots. And then select Edit Action button. As you can see here, I have email button added to my Facebook page. And now all we have to do in order to remove is just stop right here at Remove. After a couple of seconds, your email button will be removed from your page. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button